In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove anything from a picture in Photoshop using Generative Fill AI. This is a really useful technique when you have a photo with an unwanted person, object, or small distraction that pulls attention away from the main subject. The great thing about Generative Fill is that Photoshop can intelligently replace the removed area with new content that blends naturally into the surrounding image, helping your final result look clean and professional. To begin, go to the toolbar and choose the Quick Selection tool. Once you have it selected, start painting over the person or object you want to remove from the image. As you paint, Photoshop will try to detect the edges of that subject automatically, which makes the process much faster than tracing everything by hand. Take your time here and make sure the entire object is selected. This part is important because the quality of your result often depends on how complete and accurate your selection is. If any small section gets left out, just continue painting over that area until everything is covered. Try to include the full shape of the object without rushing, especially around edges where details can be easy to miss. In most cases, a clean, complete selection gives Photoshop the best chance of generating a convincing fill. Once you've finished the selection, wait a few seconds while Photoshop processes it. During this moment, the program is analyzing the image and refining the selected edges. You may notice the selection becoming a bit cleaner or more precise as Photoshop finishes calculating. That's completely normal, so just give it a little time and let it complete the process. After everything is ready, you can move on and let Photoshop remove the selected object using its AI-powered Generative Fill technology. This is where the magic happens. Photoshop uses the surrounding parts of the image to create replacement content that matches the background as naturally as possible. In many cases, the result looks surprisingly realistic right away, especially if the background is simple or consistent. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted distractions from your photos and make the image look much cleaner and more polished. This is a simple but powerful editing skill that can save a lot of time and instantly improve your pictures. Practice being careful with your selection, and you'll usually get better looking results every time.